Hey there, sports card fans. I'm going to do another 9 packs from the second 1990-91 Fleer basketball box. I'm not going to show every card this time like I did last time because I hurt my shoulder and it kind of hurts to do this a lot. So if I get a good one, I will show you. If not, then I won't. Let's see if this light is going to help. Oh, that's too bright. Too bright. Okay. Looks like we got a piston on the front and some I don't know who that is on the back. Teagle. Oh, and we got an insert card I can see. Okay. James Edwards. Scott Brooks. Oh, Reggie Miller, and it's centered very nicely. Joe Klein, Mark Eaton, Buck Johnson, Moses Malone, and this one's centered pretty nicely also. Okay. John Stockton All-Star card. All of these seem to be centered well. That's cool. David Wingate, Bill Wennington, Scottie Pippen, not quite so good on the centering though. Mark West, league leader Jack Sikma, Blair Rasmussen, and Terry Teagle. Okay, pack number 2. Hornets and looks like Mark Jackson on the back. Yes. Del Curry, first card. Dale Ellis, Tyrone Corbin, Alex English. Pretty nice on the centering for that one also. Terry Cummings, Ricky Pierce, Brad Davis, Purvis Ellison, and that's a rookie. Grant Long, Danny Ferry, oh, I think that's a rookie also. Byron Irvin, AC Green, Horace Grant, Eddie Johnson, and Mark Jackson. Oh, I forgot to look. No, not. Okay. Oh, it was magic on the front. Oh, I really like that. It looks weird. Oh, no, card is damaged. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there you go. You can see. So, get rid of that one, unfortunately. That happens to sometimes to the first card in the pack. Craig Hodges, Kevin Johnson, Johnny Newman, Vinnie Johnson, Hersey Hawkins, Detlef Schrempf, Robert Parrish, pretty good on the centering there. Eric Lechner, Otis Thorpe, Dominique Harvey Grant, Ron Harper, Rod Higgins, Sidney Green, and Lester Connor. Okay, we got Clipper on the front and Jerome Kersey on the back. Okay, Danny Manning, Sarunas Markilionis, rookie. Otis Smith, Dennis Hobson, Armand Gilliam. Okay, we got a Sean Kemp rookie, but not so good on the centering. Sam Mitchell, Bill Hanslick, Sean Elliott, also rookie. Paul Presley, James Donaldson, Rodney McRae, Glenn Rice, rookie. Steve Kerr, league leader, and Jerome Kersey. Okay, next pack. We got Episton and Hammond. Hammonds, yeah, on the back. Vincent Johnson and another All-Star, and it's John Stockton again. So 2 of those in the same stack. Buck Williams, Orlando Woolridge, John Paxson, Nate McMillan, Kenny Walker, John Sally, Herb Williams, Rick Smits, Jim Paxson, Rick Mahorn, Mitchell Wiggins, Kevin Willis, and Tom Hammonds, and that's a rookie. Okay, Charlotte Hornets on the front, and somebody Newman on the back. Armand Gilliam on the front. Another Sean Kemp rookie, and this one's even worse on the centering. Sam Mitchell, so this is going to be pretty much the same as the other pack. Hanslick, Sean Elliott rookie. Paul Presley, James Donaldson. Rodney McRae, Glenn Rice rookie. Steve Kerr, Jerome Kersey. Magic Johnson, awful centering. Craig Hodges, Kevin Johnson, and Johnny Newman. We got a Bulls player on the front. Jay something. He's a guard. Dennis Hobson. Jay. I don't know who that is. Oh, John Paxson. Okay. John Paxson, Nate McMillan, Kenny Walker. Jeez, what? John Sally, Herb Williams, Rick Smits, Jim Paxson, Rick Mahorn, Mitchell Wiggins, Kevin Willis, Tom Hammonds. That's a rookie. Danny Manning, Sarunas Marculionis, Otis Smith, Dennis Hobson. Okay. We got it looks like maybe a Cavalier on the front, and I don't know who is on the back. Orlando Woolridge, and yes, it was a Cavalier on the front. Danny Ferry, oh, that's a rookie. Byron Irvin, AC Green, Horace Grant. Oh my god, the collation on this stack is awful. Eddie Johnson, Mark Jackson, James Edwards, Scott Brooks, Reggie Miller. Not so good on the centering though. Joe Klein, Mark Eaton, Buck Johnson, Moses Malone, bad on the centering again. Buck Williams, Orlando Woolridge. I forgot to look at this one. Oh, it doesn't matter, it's open already. Grant Long. Oh, Dominique on the front. Not so good on the centering though. Not awful, it's just a little bit off top to bottom. Harvey Grant. Ron Harper, Rod Higgins, Sidney Green, Lester Connor, Del Curry, Dale Ellis, Tyrone Corbin, Alex English. This reminds me of the first pack. Terry Cummings, Ricky Pierce, Brad Davis, Purvis Ellison, Grant Long. Okay. So, that's kind of a crappy stack. Not really anything great. Miller, Pippen, Alex English, Magic, Wilkins, couple of Malones. Alright. I think there were 2 Kemp rookies. Yeah. 2 Glen Rice rookies. And then also the 2 All-Star John Stockton cards. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.